Please take time to read the disclaimer as I review it with you. All rights reserved. No part of these videos and book may be reproduced or transmitted in any manner whatsoever without written permission, except in the case of brief quotations used in articles and reviews. These videos and book is intended as reference material, not as a medical manual to replace the advice of your counselor, pastor, psychiatrist, and physician, or to substitute for any treatment prescribed by anyone. If you are ill or suspect that you have a spiritual, mental, or medical problem, we strongly encourage you to consult a pastor, coach, counselor, medical, health, or other competent professional before adopting any of the suggestions in these videos and book or drawing inferences from them. These videos and book and the author's opinions are solely for informational and for educational purposes. The author specifically disclaims all responsibility for any liability, loss, or risk, personal or otherwise, which is incurred as a consequence, directly or indirectly, of the use and application of any of the contents of this book.